Sayang, me, I need that.
What?
The love, not Charlie.
Well, no, you're a little rascal.
Kakak.
So this one, don't you dare put that in Facebook,
Why not?
because I said so.
Why not?
Because I said so. Nonsense on Facebook.
I will.
I think I'm stupid.
Nobody thinks you're stupid, Sayang.
You don't go on Facebook either, do you, Charlie? Hmm? No.
You know I will put in Facebook to you.
The whole life's on Facebook.
Maaf, babe.
Good job, is it? Don't
And my
laugh, man.
kids too. Say hi.
Good job as a door in the toilet, that's all I can say.
Cooking time. Tadi kentangnya kita udah masukin. She's cooking chicken. I'm sorry. I don't eat chicken. Well, you eat the vegetables. Mau mami masakin itu apa? Salmon. Hah? Early Christmas. This feels like Christmas. It's not even Christmas yet. Yeah. Charlie Duck.
Johnny! It's me out.
She wanna be vegetarian.
She is.
I am, but you're not really. You eat fish though.
Pescatarian.
Oh,
Mother.
Oh, I'm sorry sayang, I didn't know that.